Good morning, everyone. We hope you slept well. For us, it was fantastic, a fantastic night. But this morning, we moved to Sasebo. It's located south of Japan. And we are here for one day, where we will visit a beautiful sake company, where they make the real sake. So it's the traditional Japanese alcohol made from rice. And also we have the luck to visit this fantastic Japanese garden. So here you can see all the material they are not using at the moment. This big container is to put the sake inside. Here you can see all this kind of tissue they use to take off the rice. So now definitely we are going inside of the company to see how they make sake. So they're really kind to us to allow to come in. Okay guys, now we are seeing this guy which is cooling down all bottles because they are really warm. We will see the content inside is already alcohol and rice. Let's have a small look. So I put the fan on, and that is what the rice looks like. Atsui? Ooh, atsui. Yeah, I'm checking, it's really boiling. It's really hot. So now you take off from the bottle and put it cool down. So this company really do that by hand, the job. So here the product is finished, and the lady over there so is the packing. She's mixing. So everyone working hard. So this photo represent when the company start in 1860. So it's really a tradition here to make sake. So amazing. From 1860 they started, they're still here. And what is fantastic, they didn't change basically the process, and they're using the same facilities, like you can recognize the roof, and all is handmade. So that is really rare nowadays to see a thing handmade. So great. So it's really a great experience. So we can taste some. Okay, really can. That is the original one. Is it alcohol or without alcohol?
Without alcohol.
Okay, that is without alcohol.
Now making.
Yeah, so now the making we can taste. Hi. Hi, dozo. Thank you. Really sweet. Okay.
これをベースに果物を足して作ってます。
And this one is what?
そのままで結構ですよ。はい、ありがとうございました。
Which one is this one?
Peach.
Ah, sake with peach.
No alcohol.
You can take one of peach. You know, buy. Because I've been so kind to us, we will buy one bottle as a souvenir. Arigato. Even they offer a tea. Wow, so kind. So we finished the sake visit, which has been really interesting. I really enjoyed because they allowed us to see how they produce, and also we could see everything. So it's just rare nowadays to be able to go inside of a company and visit and check everything and take close to the staff which are working. So for me, this visit is 10 over 10. Really highly recommend. If you come to Japan, come to south of Japan, I come to visit this place. What is the name of the town?
Sasebo.
Sasebo. So you can come in and you can come visit this sake factory, which is still all handmade. So artisanal, how they said it in French. And they have been so kind to us at the end of the visit. Even we have been here for free. Look, even they offer us a yummy cup of tea. So that is really the welcome of Japan to people to visit. That is all really good. So bye bye from now. Look, just behind is a beautiful bamboo forest. Really peaceful place. So this tip is cooking the bamboo shoot old fashioned. All right.
Bamboo shoot.
Yeah, because here this forest is plenty of bamboo, and he make a fire from under. Look at that! Wow! So you have to boil how long? How long you have to boil?
どのくらい茹でるんですか
1時間ね。
？1 hour.
1 hour.
たぎり出してから半時間ぐらい。
So that is a tradition here. And did he catch this morning in the forest?
これどこでそこで取ってきたの？
うん、そこで上の山ね。
でover there, the bamboo forest.
Yeah, the bamboo forest because
あげましょうか。
いいですいいです
もう炊き上がってくなる
Ah, there.
That is already cooked.
Yeah, can see the knife. Wow, and that is a bamboo shoot. That is inside of the bamboo shoot.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Sumimasen.
はいどうぞ冷やさんとかも
That is a really traditional food in Japan. So Megumi, that how they eat? Salty? How they eat? As it is? Cook? As a pickles?
No, not pickles. Just the traditional Japanese.
Okay.
Or with rice
Okay.
to cook.
Okay. はい、どうも、さよなら。
はいどうぞ
ありがとうございます。Ah, even can. Salut. Hein? C'est quoi ça? Hein? Lèche? Sympa.
Sympa. Ah là, he's a
Voilà.
house there.
Ouais. Bye bye. Sayonara. So it's amazing to come around this area because also you can see many things if you have the open eyes. Look the house also here. How beautiful and huge. Probably in Tokyo, this kind of house
6 hours.
it will be for 5 family. And this tree. Really incredible. So if you come close to Sasebo, that is a temple.
The temple, yeah. I think so.
That is a Sasebo place. Really beautiful.
What is the post?
Ah, the post of Sasebo. It seems works.
What?
Okay, let's take the car.
12 hours.
What a beautiful day today. It's really warm.